Dear friends, welcome back to Civil Conclave presentations. Today we are going to talk about how to prepare a daily progress reports and submit it to the management. I am going to give you two types of a labor reports. One is based on the labor report, one is based on the activities reports. So that you can understand what is meant by activity report and what is meant by daily labor report. Let us go to the presentation now. See, as soon as you go there, you will have a project name. You can fill up the project name, DPR number. It has been DPR number, LOI date. That is a letter of intent date, and this is a completion date which you will be billing. Whether you have to mention is it sunny, cloudy, rainy, whatnot. Countdown in a number of days. You might be having how many days to complete the project. That is the total number of days. How many days pass minus that, then you have a countdown days. Work date, that's a work date. That may be yesterday date. Report date is a today's date. Number of days elapsed. So how many days you are already completed. That's it. Now let us come to the manpower stage. You'll be putting it up, say, let's say carpenter. Carpenter. Like that, you had planned strength. Today, what you have planned strength, it is around about it. Say, let's say 20. Deployed is 15. So what you had it is minus 5. Plan for next days might be 30. Remarks. So you have to put out whatever your remarks. Then comes the site engineer. How many site engineers you have to deploy like that? Safety officer, mason, male coolies, storekeepers. You can go on by designation. You can add on designations and it will be giving. See here, you will be getting it automatically. It will be connected to a graphic status. You will be having your plan for 20 and actually put on 15. So that the shortfall of 5 will be showing. Tools and tackles. So let us say JCB planned what is actual deployed what shortfall. Then what is the plan next for remarks? Like that, you can go on adding all your machineries and everything. Here you can see this. It is automatically connected to a graphic structure, which will be giving a graphical quality report. See, quality report is being the description. If there is any defects or a quality defects, you have to mention till previous date and today's what is that till today publication NCR date, that is a non-conformity status. You can put on NCR and memos issued previous day what is issued, today what is issued, till today totally cubic meter what is issued, NCR status. You can put it up. Test reports, inspection reports, till yesterday what has been done, you have to fill it up here. Today what you have done it, till today what is the total cumulative, you have to put it up. So you will be closing. Now we are going to come down. It is like this: firefighting, air handling units, and go on. You can use as per units. Okay, this is the various activities. Okay, like this in your civil works, instead of this, you can add it ground floor. Suppose if you want to do it as civil works, you can say that it's a ground floor brickwork. Brickwork. You can say brickwork. Then you can say plaster, door fixing. Like this, you can go on adding these activities. This is a percentage what has been done. It will accumulated shows here the bars marks. It will be coming down like this because this has been prepared for a plumbing and utilities. You can correct it according to your civil works. Okay. Now let us go about. Now let us go about the activities reports. See, when you say activities reports, It is prepared for one of my this is one of my previous companies activities. This is a daily activities report. Okay, date, project. What is the project name? You can fill it up. Daily work progress report. You can put it up whether it's clear or rainy. Building number. You might be having 5 buildings, 6 buildings. So let us say buildings one, wing two, date. Today's date. Let us say 10 to 2021. So this is the date. Okay. Now labor strength. Labor strength, you can say number one. See this one of your agency name. You can type it up. I'll say it is a. What the work he is doing? He is doing a brickwork. Let us put up brickwork. Skilled. How many masons he is having a skill? Let us say 10 masons. Let us say unskilled helper. Let's say 8. Semi-skilled will be 8. That is a half a mason. Unskilled, let us say 7. Like this, you can go on keeping all these agencies like a carpenter, fitter, and all these things. You can have it. See what is your urgent material requirement. You can mention what is your urgent material requirement. Sand, bricks, cement. You can go on adding whatever the material you can add it. Intended. See, let's say item. Let's say cement. Cement quantity I intended 1,000 bags. Okay, it is go on like this. You can add it for how many items you can go on adding it: metal, steel, metal, bricks. Like this, you can go on adding it. Material received till today. Okay, there is a material inward number which I call it as 1111. Let's say cement. I received against 1,000 bags. I received 200. Okay, you can go on mentioning here what has been received. Now let us go to the equipment. Equipment requirement. Let us say we want a dewatering pump. So let us say dewatering pump. Dewatering pump. Decision pending. Decision pending means there might be a lot of decisions will be pending from the management side. Let's say decision pending. Tile decision. Footpath decision. You can go on add it. The work progress. Let's say serial number 1, brickwork, brickwork, unit, 10 cube, 10 cubic meter, plan today, plan date, it is on, say, let us say 9th February 2021. Planned quantity will be 20. Achieved quantity is 10. Reasons, if any, bricks not received. Like this, you can go on adding this, whatever the things. Site visit from the consultant and everybody. Because this will help the management to understand who are all visited the site. And your project manager can also understand who are all visited. Say, let us say, structural consultant. Structural consultant. and you can add it whatever the things. You can say how many consultants you visited. Drawing receipt. Today, whatever the drawing is received, you can put it off so that the management knows what are the drawings received today and what has been not pending. Like this, you can go on submitting your report. You can add and delete furthermore the things. This is the methodology of preparing a daily report. Thank you for watching this presentation. Kindly subscribe, like and share, which will motivate me for a further good presentation. In case of any queries, do not hesitate to write to me. The response shall be at the earliest. civilconclave@gmail.com or at my Telegram group, Civil Conclave Telegram group. The links will be provided as is here. Thank you. Thank you for watching it.